guys, so we are back, and today we're gonna be unboxing and this one right here. So this is a supposed to be a cute travel bag, cosmetic bag for $6. So this is what it looks like. So we're gonna go see if this is exactly what it looks like on this one over here. I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but hey, we'll see if it's worth it or if it looks exactly what pictures. I really like the look in here. It kind of look vintage, right? So we'll see if what you see online is exactly what you're gonna go get in real life. I'm gonna find out. Oh, okay, let's go. Up here looks nice, right? In here a bit too cheap. Okay, let's go check it out. See the inside. I don't wear makeup, but I like to keep all kinds of stuff like lotion, lip gloss, and all that stuff. Okay, looks cute, about 1.5 inches from here. And then this is a fall leather. At least the stitches are nice, right? Can't complain about that. Okay, and here, zipper wise, we'll see. This is like a gold tone. So from here, we're gonna try to open it. Okay, opening is not that bad. You need to be able to protect it. Okay, supposed to be waterproof in here. A bit cheap inside. I'm not sure if you can really put makeup in here other than a small eyeshadow. Compact, everything compact. And then it shows here you can put your watch in there, right? Let's go show you guys. Out here, somebody shows there is a watch. Well, let me go grab my watch and see if I can really put it. So, let's go. Oh, okay. Sideways you can, just like on the photo. So, at least that's correct. I don't have the other stuff, but like showing in here, you can only put really small item. So that is that. Oh, for $6, and you really want to go tidy up your bag. This is cute enough, right? Does it look like the one in the photo? This is more of a square. This is more of a rectangle, right? Kind of annoying. I don't like the shape being square. I want it to be more different. Okay, well, that is that. Will I recommend it for $6? You're gonna have to think about it. This is like 3.5, but at least the look of it, a bit cheaper than I expected. I was wanting like more vintage looking like the one in the photo, but this is different. The zipper at least is good, so that's a good thing. So $6, yay or nay? Let me know in the comments down below. I would like to hear your thought. And with that, as said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.